Love is an emotion that holds immense significance in our lives, but can its value be quantified? Join us on a captivating journey as we explore the various dimensions of love and attempt to assign a monetary worth to this intangible concept. We'll examine the economic, social, and personal aspects of love, considering factors such as time, effort, and sacrifices involved. Prepare to challenge your perspectives and gain a deeper understanding of the complex relationship between love and money. Tune in and discover the surprising insights that emerge when we contemplate the worth of love in a world governed by financial transactions. While love cannot be quantified in monetary terms, various studies have highlighted the positive effects of love on well-being and happiness. For instance, research has shown that individuals in loving relationships tend to experience better physical and mental health, increased life satisfaction, and higher levels of overall happiness. However, attempting to assign a specific financial value to love would be impractical and reductionistic. Love encompasses a wide range of emotions, experiences, and intangible qualities that cannot be captured by monetary metrics alone. It is a deeply personal and subjective experience that defies quantification. Studies in UK found that love is equivalent with a gambler winning $267,000. While if you are in a committed long-term love, like marriage, estimated that healthcare costs and tax breaks altogether being married is the equivalent of an extra $100,000 per year. Instead of focusing on its monetary value, it is more meaningful to cherish and appreciate the emotional and personal significance that love holds in our lives. Love's true worth lies in the joy, connection, and fulfillment it brings, qualities that cannot be measured in dollars and cents. Research has shown that love and positive relationships have numerous emotional, psychological, and physical benefits. These include reduced stress levels, improved mental health, enhanced social support, and increased life satisfaction. However, these studies focus on the subjective experiences and overall well-being of individuals, rather than attaching a specific financial value to love. It is important to recognize that love is a complex and multifaceted emotion that extends beyond materialistic or economic considerations. Its value is deeply personal and can vary greatly from person to person. Ultimately, love is immeasurable and invaluable, as it encompasses a range of emotions, connections, and experiences that transcend monetary worth. In conclusion, the question of how much money love is worth remains an enigma. While we cannot assign a definitive monetary value to love, it is evident that its impact on our lives is immeasurable. Love brings us joy, connection, support, and fulfillment that extends far beyond the realm of financial transactions. Instead of seeking to quantify love in monetary terms, let us cherish the profound experiences and emotions it brings. Let us appreciate the sacrifices made, the time invested, and the efforts exerted to nurture and maintain love. Let us embrace the intangible and priceless aspects of love that enrich our lives. So, the next time you ponder the value of love, remember that it cannot be confined within the boundaries of money. Love is a force that transcends economic calculations and touches the core of our humanity. As we conclude this exploration, let us celebrate the remarkable power of love in our lives. Whether it's the love of a partner, family, friends, or even self-love, let us treasure and nurture these connections, for they are truly invaluable. Thank you for joining us on this thought-provoking journey. Remember, love knows no price tag. It is a treasure that enriches us beyond measure. Keep spreading love, compassion, and kindness in this world.